Hey, it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog, and we're just a couple of days out from our February open house. I think it's 2 now. I got that right the first time, too. I'm out here at the Annabessacook Lake Landing, and you know, there's been a growing problem out here that was identified last year by the state. The Friends of the Cobbossee Watershed was actively involved in coming out with the state, and they pulled about 4,000 pounds of milfoil out of this lake. And again, there's a problem out here that they've identified, and they're going to go to work on it again just as soon as ice is out. And I know that the Friends has started a capital campaign to go to work on this lake this year. Now, milfoil, as we know, just moves from one body of water to another. And the only way to really eradicate it properly is to hand pick it. It's really labor intensive, and it takes time and it takes money. That's where we're coming in this year, is in order to help the Friends fund their program, we're making a donation for every boat package that's sold during our boat show season this year. We're going to donate $100 from the proceeds of that sale to the capital campaign for the Friends. I think it's called the Annabessacook Cobbossee Milfoil Project. And if milfoil bothers you, this would be something that you might want to help us get behind so that we can nip this in the bud right here, right now. Hey, it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog. We're a couple of days out from our February open house, and we want to support this this capital campaign for the Friends of the Cobbossee Watershed, and we hope you help us do it.